Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dark Spot Serum is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for addressing uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. Dark spots, often caused by sun exposure, aging, or hormonal changes, can be effectively targeted with the right serum. Today, we're diving deep into a top contender, exploring its ingredients, application, and, most importantly, whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. No. 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. This face serum, with collagen peptide technology, is your answer for laugh lines and deep wrinkles. It helps to diminish the appearance of wrinkles. More than just a brightening serum, it works as a line-blurring wrinkle filler. It helps restore your skin's youthful glow and suppleness. The hydrating formula rejuvenates your skin, making it ideal for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Enhance your skincare routine with this moisturizing marvel. Specifically designed. Since 1935, No. 7 has been at the forefront of affordable luxury in skincare. Every No. 7 product stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. What we like. This serum utilizes collagen peptide technology to target fine lines and wrinkles. It acts as a wrinkle filler, restoring your skin's youthful glow. If you are looking for a hydrating solution that rejuvenates your skin and is suitable for all skin types, you should consider this. What people say. Worked as described. The tube is easy to use. You twist the bottom to engage and press the bottom inwards to release the serum. It's creamy and absorbs completely. My skin became clearer, firmer, and more hydrated. Number 4. No. 7 Restore and Renew Serum, Anti-Aging for Face and Neck. This serum is designed for both your face and neck. It's an anti-aging solution to help you achieve smoother, firmer skin. It's a great addition to your skincare routine. This formula targets wrinkles, loss of firmness, and dullness. You'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's smoothness and overall appearance. It's designed to rejuvenate your skin. In just 1 week, you can see firmer skin. After 2 weeks, fine lines and wrinkles are reduced. This serum has been proven effective in a study of UK women. It's formulated with Matrixyl 3000 Plus technology. This provides collagen support for a smoother texture. This powerful serum is a great choice. Apply this serum morning and night after cleansing. Use it on your face and neck. It works well with other No. 7 products. No. 7 has 85 years of experience. This product combines science with great textures. Generations have trusted this brand for their skincare needs. What we like. This serum is an anti-aging powerhouse, tackling wrinkles and loss of firmness. It is clinically proven to deliver visible results. If you are looking for a product that visibly firms skin and reduces fine lines, you should consider this. What people say. The product is effective in reducing the appearance of dark spots. The serum is easy to incorporate into a skincare routine. The product has a lightweight texture. Number 3. No. 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. Introducing the No. 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. This serum is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of stubborn lines and wrinkles. It's designed to target those areas directly, helping you achieve a smoother complexion. This anti-aging serum is packed with our unique collagen peptide technology. It contains 7 times more of this powerful ingredient compared to our other moisturizing serums. You'll notice a visible difference. The serum provides intense hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Apply it directly to lines and wrinkles for the best results. Pair it with your favorite moisturizer to enhance its effects. This serum is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It's a versatile addition to any skincare routine. Discover more products from No. 7 at our Amazon store. No. 7 has been empowering women with luxurious beauty at affordable prices since 1935. This serum gives you the support and confidence to live life on your own terms. Find more skincare solutions you'll love at the No. 7 Amazon store. What we like. This serum is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of stubborn lines and wrinkles. It contains a high concentration of collagen peptide technology. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for an effective anti-aging solution, you should consider this. What people say. Worked as described. Great product, great packaging. Works well on lower eye puffiness. Ik glad het fien falchen komplett und etwas tiefer auch sehr gut. Die Word insgesamt zarte und worked gesund. Number 2. No 7 Laboratories Firming Booster Serum. Introducing a serum designed to visibly lift, tone, and tighten your skin. This concentrated formula is perfect for areas prone to firmness loss, like the neck and jawline. It's packed with powerful anti-wrinkle technology. This serum is enriched with hyaluronic acid and hibiscus peptides. These ingredients work together to restore collagen and plump the skin. The result is a more youthful appearance. In a consumer study, 4 out of 5 women saw more lifted, toned, and tighter skin after using it for 4 weeks. The results speak for themselves. First, shake the serum with the applicator down, then turn it to the on position. Massage a small amount around your jawline, using upward and outward motions. Repeat this process around the sides of your mouth and neck. No 7 has a long history of helping women look and feel their best. This brand offers luxurious beauty at an affordable price. It's a trusted brand for generations. What we like. This serum is designed to lift, tone, and tighten your skin, especially around the neck and jawline. It is enriched with hyaluronic acid and peptides. If you like a product that provides visible results in skin firmness, you should consider this. What people say. I use it around my eyes, face, and neck. I do notice the fine lines do appear much less. You need to be faithful with the use. The roller balls feel great under the eyes when applying. They have a cooling effect. This serum continues to be very good. My skin feels smoother after use and it is good preparation for the moisturizer to follow. Works well for wrinkles. The roller balls feel so good when applying. Number 1. No 7 Laboratories Dark Spot Correcting Booster Serum. Introducing a serum clinically proven to improve the appearance of dark spots, age spots, and sunspots. This product is designed to deliver fast, visible results where you need them most. It's formulated with illuminating ingredients. These include vitamin C, emblica, and sephora. They work together to give you a radiant complexion. For optimal results, use this serum with the Restore and Renew regimen. You'll love how it makes you look and feel. No 7 has been empowering women since 1935, offering luxurious beauty at an affordable price. It gives women the confidence to live life on their own terms. Discover the power of No 7 Laboratories Dark Spot Correcting Booster Serum. Try it today and see the difference it makes. What we like. This serum is clinically proven to improve the appearance of dark spots, age spots, and sunspots. It is designed to deliver fast, visible results. If you are looking to address uneven skin tone and dark spots, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. Dark spots are fading. It has made a difference in the appearance of my skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.